blood clock, buckshot. They fly through the truck spots, robots. You give a damn who the fuck shot.
What's up, car friends? This is Stu from Really Cool Videos, and today we are in the most special and rare car we've ever had on the channel. One of 18 ever built, and you look like a cop driving it. And it's a manual. This is my good buddy Roz from AU Tuning. What's up, my boy?
What's up, Stu?
He is the owner, the part owner. Him with Dave. They own AU Tuning, where I take all my cars, basically. Love them, do great work. They are the best.
Thank you, Stu.
And clearly also have good taste in cars. Dave, the other owner, has a RS6, right? That we need to do on the channel also.
We do,
is it?
yeah.
Speaking of, there's an S4.
It's a B5.
They specialize in Volkswagen Audis, but do everything. They work on my Lincoln, my Cayenne, my CC, and they built the Mark III, the turbo build. So, love them. But today we're in Roz's personal car that he's had since 2007. Built by Roush Performance for Bondurant Racing to be used as a track instructor's car. So they commissioned 18 cars numbered 1 through 19. They skipped number 13. It's outfitted with the Mustang Cobra V8, 32 valve V8 that's been hopped up. That same engine is in my Lincoln Mark 8, the Nipsey Lincoln, and it makes 280 horsepower in that car. Here, it makes 320 horsepower, and they put it with a Tremec 5-speed manual. It transforms it to like a modern-day muscle car with a back seat that's got 4-point harnesses all around because it's an instructor's car. Got the Mustang Cobra wheels, the special front fascia,
Yes, sir.
the rear spoiler, cage.
Full cage, gauge pack. It's all Mustang.
Yeah, Mustang gauge pack with the white cluster. That does it for me. I'm a big fan of OEM white gauges or silver gauges. I think that's such a nice touch for such a small thing. It also has the ABS defeat button.
Yes.
So you could turn off the ABS. Was that something that was just for the Roush cars?
I think, oh yeah, that was not ever equipped on any other Crown Victoria or Panther car.
Crazy.
It was specific for this build, and I think it was part of the lessons that the instructors would do for the students. So
that's so cool. And then what are these other switches you got up here?
So this car was equipped at Bondurant with strobe light in the rear, which has since been, I removed all that.
You took it off, okay.
Yeah, I didn't want to get in trouble.
Yeah, that's
and then
true.
battery, and then the trunk button is actually factory. That's a Ford.
Oh, nice.
Factory.
And then this center console is from a Ford Contour.
SVT Contour, yes, sir.
Which is cool.
Yeah.
It has a fire suppression system.
Yes, Halon.
All right, let's hit it again. One more time. Dude, she wants to go. What a cool car, man. What a freaking cool car. And at still semi-sane speeds.
Oh, yeah.
Having a lot of fun without getting in too much trouble. Some cars are too fast for their own good, and you can't wind them out. This one you get to wind out a couple of gears before you're getting in trouble. That's nice. Great.
Very satisfying downshifts.
It is. Button for the Halon fire suppression system that they equipped into all these cars.
Yes. You've got
little squirters.
Yeah.
In the engine and
2 in the passenger compartment. Yeah, 1 in the engine, 1 in the trunk. Fuel cells relocated, or fuel cell period is installed, and they relocated it kind of behind the rear axle instead of in front.
Nice.
So it helps with weight balance.
Sick. And then the battery's back there too.
Battery's also back there on top of the fuel cell.
On the way over to the photo spot, this thing has some freaking road presence. And and as we're taking pictures, Roz was telling me, so the whole car's got a brand new paint job, 7 months old.
7 months old.
Crispy black. But not only did that, he spent $3,000 on new molding, which I don't even know how you could do that. But look at all this new, the amount of molding is there's a gang of it. And then you said that all this too?
Every door, yeah, all this weather stripping, the chrome comes with it.
Brand new
That's how Ford
OEM
makes it.
from Ford.
Took us about a month to find it all from Ford, but yeah, the guy at Villa Ford, he eventually got me everything,
So crispy. I don't even want to ask what the paint job costs if you spent $3 grand just in molding, my guy. Jeez. But it does look nice. Ooh, glass out.
Every piece of glass was removed. Bumpers came off. I mean, the car was redone like it was done at the factory. Like doors came off, bumpers came off.
And it looks great. On the road, it looks mean. The stance, perfect. Low, but not too low. Aggressive, but not too much. And these are functional brake ducts. These originally are the fog lights from the Mustang Cobra. That lower valance was grafted onto the Crown Vic bumper for this car, and these are now functional brake ducts on both sides. How sick is that? Brand new lights. This thing just looks so crispy in the rear view. What a cool car. And something different. My motor on the Lincoln doesn't say SVT. What the heck? Mr. Randy Cam built this one. So sick.
The precursor to the Marauder, precursor to really all those cars.
Right,
you know?
but it didn't have a manual transmission.
Marauder never got a manual. No Panther ever got a manual. Panther platform, you know, Lincoln or Grand Marquis or Crown Vic.
And the manual, I mean, let's just be honest, it makes the whole car more engaging, more fun, more special.
Yeah, frees up a lot of power too.
Yeah. Now this is the tight canyon that we're in, and this big car, it's really handling it well. Test the brakes. Sick, dude. Yeah. Let's see what she'll do. Ready? Here we go. $60. Crazy.
Balanced on the track. Brakes are great. Power is just enough.
Listen to it, man. This is fun on the track, but it's also plenty dailyable. Right now we got the AC on, and we are chilling.
Magnaflow handmade me a prototype exhaust system back in the day when I worked for Audi. We were friends. We were real close to them, and
that's why it sounds so freaking good.
It sounds good. I wanted it to be a little bit more mellow.
You want it more mellow? I think it's perfect.
Well, I mean, back from when I bought it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
gotcha.
Now it's perfect. Sounds great.
That was first. It's nice to be able to rev out first gear smoothly,
right? And it goes so fast, first and second. Yeah. Like you get up to speed without even touching third. Like,
wow. So yeah, Roz is going to be selling this car on one of the auction sites. He loves it, but he just went through a massive remodel at his house, and house versus car. Unfortunately, house always wins. But this is a freaking sweet car. The last one on Bring a Trailer sold for $48,000, and it's a special car. It's only got, this one only has 20,000. It's a fresh car that's been essentially not babied, but driven properly and maintained properly its whole life. When it's used at the track, you know, change the oil and you maintain it closer.
Oh, absolutely.
As opposed to just sitting in traffic. So yeah, this thing's certainly fresh and ready for some more enjoyment. All right, so I will link the for sale ad down below when it's there. Check out AU Tuning if you're in Orange County and need any work on your Volkswagen Audi.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you guys.
Thank you, Stu.
Sick ass car.
Thank you, dude.
You want to do some donuts in it?
No,
No.
donuts.
Gentleman racer. That's right. He's a gentleman. That was a test, and he passed. All right, guys. Until next time. Have a good one. Later.
Bye.